A frequently asked question we get here at About Murals is, can you wallpaper around a fireplace? The answer, with our wallpaper murals, you definitely can. All of our wallpaper is Class A fire rated, meaning it's totally fine to use around a fireplace, a baseboard heater, or even a radiator. Stick through till the end of this video to see some of the brick, stone, and marble wallpaper murals our customers have used on their fireplaces. But first, here are a few installation tips so your faux fireplace project goes super smooth. Always draw a vertical line on the front of your fireplace using a level to make sure that your wallpaper is hung straight. The corners of a fireplace are usually not level, so if you don't draw this line to match your first panel to, your wallpaper might look crooked. Our wallpaper is pre-pasted, so you just have to dunk it into a bin of water to activate the glue on the back. Fold a towel under your bin to capture any of the water drips. I also covered the gas fireplace with a plastic bag so no wallpaper paste got into the vents. The best part of pre-pasted wallpaper is that it slides around on the wall for a couple of minutes, allowing you to match the pattern at the seams perfectly. That's why it's so much easier to hang than peel and stick wallpaper, which doesn't slide around at all. With peel and stick, you better hope the adhesive on the back is a good quality in case you have to remove and reposition it a couple of times while hanging. Remember to leave about 2 inches of extra wallpaper at the ceiling and the baseboards to trim off during installation, because they're usually not level either. At each corner, you need to make a relief cut, allowing you to wrap the wallpaper onto the side wall. The most important tip is to turn off any heat sources while you're hanging your wallpaper and for 24 hours afterwards. The heat will dry the wallpaper out too quickly, and you'll probably notice the corners or seams of the wallpaper lift off the wall. If you let your wallpaper dry at a normal pace, it'll stick to your walls perfectly. You can use your fireplace as much as you like once the wallpaper dries. Use any of these tips when hanging around a radiator or a baseboard heater too. Using a faux wallpaper like a stone or brick effect is really popular design for a fireplace. Many of our faux murals have been used by celebrity designers on Cityline because they're so realistic looking. Made from a high-resolution photo of a real wall using a very unique photographic process, it captures all the rugged texture. There's no repeating brick or stone making the wallpaper look real. But remember, this is your space, so go ahead and get creative. We have hundreds of beautiful wallpaper designs to choose from and can even help you make your own custom wallpaper. If you're wondering where to buy our wallpaper, just visit aboutmurals.ca. And if you have any tips on how to install wallpaper around a fireplace, please share in the comments below. We're a fierce community of DIYers helping each other out. And for all our other wallpaper hanging tips, remember to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.